Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling IRIE because we have another pick a card reading for you today. It's jam-packed. They're always detailed. They're always in depth. Okay, and in today's reading, it's all about the channeled messages from the person on your mind. So, have you got your tea? Have you got your snacks? All right, go and run and get some snacks and some tea. Because, darling, honey, we are about to get into it. You ready? Come on, let's get into it. One guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. T-Sippers, one guarantee. Welcome to Super, yeah. So, welcome. We have pile one, pile two, and pile three. We are exploring channeled messages from the person on your mind. We want to thank you. Thank you to all the subscribers who voted to have this reading, okay, as one of the readings they want to see on the channel. So, we are going to be exploring channeled messages from the person on your mind. So I hope you've got your tea and your snacks ready. I've got some water. Let us know what you are sipping on. Okay. And I love to engage with all of your messages. Thank you for all of the love. And are you new here? Welcome, welcome, welcome. And big up to all the subscribers. If you haven't already, please click on that notification bell. Okay, like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat around here. Right, before we begin, we'd like to bring in some good energy into the reads. The reason why we say good, it's a way of emphasizing the good, okay, to bring in that vibrational energy, but also it's part of it in Jamaican culture. It's a way of emphasizing when something is really good and when you enjoy something. Okay, we're going to emphasize the good, good. Okay, so let's bring in that good energy into the reads. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we are about to receive today. May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, pile one, pile two, or pile three. Go to the number that's calling you, and we will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile one and we are exploring channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay, so I hope you've got your tea, your snacks as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. You ready? All right, let's get into it. Please like and subscribe, and also do send us some love. We have set up a Instagram page as a way to connect, okay, as we grow and grow. So thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Now let's get into it. Let's see. Wagwan. Okay, Wagwan is Jamaican Patois and it simply means what is going on. Right. Channeled messages. So we have the King of Swords here. The King of Swords. Now, did ask, can I have just 3 cards? But today it felt like this person on your mind wanted more. It felt like the 3 cards is not going to be enough to express how I feel. And I feel like there's a strong message of feelings, okay, in this read. So let's explore. We have the King of Swords, okay? We have the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups. Okay, so the Six of Cups is representing this energy of reconciliation, strong feelings still being here. Okay, looking back at the past. Okay, the King of Swords energy is like someone who's using a lot of their logical, objective outlook in life. Okay, now we have the Queen of Wands, and I feel like the Queen of Wands is the energy of you. Okay, it's this energy, and I feel like it could be. I feel like perhaps for some of you, you are not with it's this energy. This person may not be in your current energy, or it's somebody from your recent past who is looking at you and seeing how you stepped into your own with the Queen of Wands energy, okay, which is all about you just taking the lead, embracing your own, and I'm getting like feeling very confident in who you are, okay. Well, I feel like that energy of knowing that you are feeling confident and you're embracing that confidence about who you are, I feel like it's making this person is like, oh, I I want to make an offer. I feel like they could be going to others with the hierophant, trying to seek advice on how they should best approach this situation. I feel like they could even be discussing, you are the one that got away, you are the one that I want to marry. What do I need to do? Okay, because we have the Ace of Cups. So there is this energy of love here. Okay. I feel like perhaps this person had some growing up that they needed to do. They had to learn, and I feel like it's also a message that there may have been others around them. They may have been trying to distract them from you, or it's almost like they could have also been jealous of this union. And I feel like this person has come to some realization that, wow, like, what was I doing? What was I thinking? And I feel like they have this energy of when they have, it's like they have moments where they can remember all those sweet, subtle things that you do. Okay. But I feel like they're caught up in this energy of thinking, do you still think about me? Do you still think about us? Do you still think about we? Do you still think about me? Do you still think about we being together? Do you still think about us being forever? I feel like there's a strong energy here, okay, about that. And I feel like with the Hierophant, I feel like they could be now going to elders, okay? I feel like perhaps there was some immaturity here, and now they're going to elders. They're seeking advice from others. They're trying to become as well informed as possible, especially because now they're stepping into this energy of the King of Swords energy, which is about being grounded, looking at two sides, recognizing with the swords here that they need to drop off some kind of energy that's not serving them, that's not aligned with them, being objective rather than subjective, okay? But then seeking advice from elders. And I feel like this is also could be this energy of this person wants to work harder, do better, even maybe stepping into improving their career, improving their money. So I feel like they want to come forward, but it's coming forward in a way that they have taken that time to do some work. This is the message I'm getting. They have to do some work, not just come to you in a way like haha with their tail behind their legs. I feel like it's this energy that with the Ace of Cups here, there's not I feel like there's not the message is there's an offer here, okay? But it's for them to come forward and show you really, because look at you, you're in the middle energy, this middle energy. And I feel like the message is every time I close my eyes, all I see is you. But I feel like they have perhaps I feel like there's a strong energy. This person may have been keeping an eye, seeing what you or they you may have some like mutual circles, or you roam in mutual circles, or friends or associates that have perhaps even mentioned, oh yes, I saw Jane the other day. And I feel like, let's call this person John, the person in your mind. They'll be like, oh really? And they're like, oh yeah, and she looks so good, she looks so good. Okay. And I feel like that even triggers the John, okay, the person in your mind, okay, to then try and go and have a look and see what's going on, okay. And I feel like they could be even trying to inquire if you're single, if you've got anything going on, okay. But I feel like there's a strong energy that they are they are wanting to reconcile. They are wanting to come forward, and I feel like they are looking at the past, but they are also looking at the past in an objective manner, okay, understanding that the past is not going to be enough, okay, or not it's the word, the message I'm getting is suffice, is not going to be enough to think that they can come back into this new you, okay, this energy that you're displaying of confidence, okay. I can see lots of energy of the solar plexus being here, okay, and the solar plexus represents your self-esteem, your confidence. You are stepping in this shiny energy, and this shiny energy is that, yes, I am that girl. That's the message that I'm getting. I am that girl. And what? And what? And I feel like this energy is is driving this person on your mind to think, wow, like, wow, wow, wow. So again, everybody has free will. Trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. But there's this energy that this person wants to come back, and I feel like their intention are their intentions are genuine. However, I feel like I feel like there's also an energy in you where you're like, well, I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this moment. And I feel like at this time you also have a lot of interests, or the people looking at you, okay, that are attracted to you. And I do feel that this could make John feel like, I need to make a move quick, because I can't see Jane waiting for long, or I can't see Jane just, you know, um, perhaps even if she may have feelings, she might look at other interests, or others that are um, that maybe she doesn't have a connection with, or they're very new, okay, and they might pull her interest. So I feel like they are trying to speak to elders, connect with others, perhaps even, I'm getting the message that even perhaps even connecting with your own family or friends to try and see if there are a way or opportunity of arranging some kind of, the message coming through is dinner, to arrange a date, so that you can both talk and communicate. Someone needs to hear that. Someone needs to hear that, because it's coming through that it's like wanting to arrange a date, okay, an offer, okay, tell you how they feel, okay. So we're gonna go straight into the feelings, okay? We're gonna go straight into feelings. But before we do, we always have to, okay, pull out a Jamaican proverb, okay? Because at Wagwan Tarot and Tea, we are, we do tarot a little different. We infuse a little bit of Jamaican herbs and spices into the mix, okay? Right. So, ooh, okay. This one wants to come out. Let it come out. No buy puss in a bag. No buy puss in a bag. So the message is, do not buy a puss in a bag. Now, this is the idea of kind of being, we've been here before. Okay. Now, the song coming through, okay, it tends to come through when it's like, yeah, we've been here, done that. It's Sunshine Anderson's coming through again. Heard it all before, heard it all before, heard it all before, heard it all before. Sometimes deals are too good to be true. Sometimes deals are too good to be true. Now, I feel like that's again why that message came in, is trust your intuition. Everybody has free will, okay? Because I feel like this person has come to like this realization of what they have lost, okay, or what has gone, okay, and it's now wanting to come back, wanting to return, wanting to reconcile, wanting to reconnect, wanting to connect with you, and your newfound energy as the Queen of Wands, okay, as the Queen of Wands. And I feel like that this energy that it's, I feel like it startled them because it's their what they have of you is what was in the past, with the Six of Cups being here. Okay, what they have of you is what was in the past. But I feel like this energy here of you being in the Queen of Wands, this is you stepping into your solar plexus energy, the confidence, the self-esteem. We also have the orange, okay, and that represents this the chakral the sacral chakra, okay, and it's the idea that you are connected and in tune with your sexual prowess, okay, confident in yourself, you know. Ooh, ooh la la, okay, you are bringing out that energy, and that is also making others around you recognize like, oh, Jane is looking good. Jane is stepping into her energy. Yes, 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 darling. Yes, honey. And I feel like this is creating this energy that is making this person feel like it they don't want to miss out. Okay, they don't want to miss out. Seeking advice from others, seeking advice from elders, how they can best move forward. Okay, and I feel like it's also perhaps they want to seek their your hand. There's also a message again to seek your hand in marriage. Okay, but there is definitely this energy of wanting to, you know, give offer this opportunity of love. Okay, so now we are going to look into the feelings deck, okay? We're going to get straight to the point here. Straight to the point. Right, so we're going to let the messages shuffle out, okay? That's what we like to do here, and then we're going to read them collectively. So for the collective who chose pile 1, channeled messages from the person on your mind, okay? Reveal the messages the collective need to see right now for pile 1. Right, we're gonna let the messages flow. Sometimes I like to sing our little song Shuffle Baby because it allows the energy to flow, okay? We like to use the energy here, words, power. Okay, let's bring it all in. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. You see that? You see that? Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Can you see it with me? Hey, look at that. Shuffle, baby. Reveal the channeled messages that this from the person on your mind. What they want to tell you. Yes. Shuffle, baby. Last shuffle. Last shuffle. Thank you. Look at all of these juicy, juicy gems. Intuitive gems. Okay. And we sing when those juicy, juicy, intuitive gems are coming through. Okay. Look at all of these juicy, juicy gems. Right, we're going to take a good sip of tea, water, whatever you have right now as we gather these gems, okay? So let's take a sip together, okay? I've got some water here. Let us know what you are sipping on. Right, let's get into it. I am sorry. Look at this. I am sorry for my mistakes. I am sorry. I cherish every moment we had together, and we can see that with the Six of Cups energy, okay? And this the King of Swords, this person's coming to they're coming to this mindset of realizing that they've made some mistakes. Okay. I wish I had been better to you. Now we said something earlier. Okay, if I recall. Okay, this like one thing that wishing that they did better when it came towards you, or how they dealt with matters of the heart in the past. Every moment spent with you was priceless. Look at this. Every moment spent with you was priceless. Waiting for you is the hardest thing I've ever done. Okay? Because now I feel like they're having to go on your time. This is why I see the Queen of Wands here, because the Queen of Wands is like you've stepped into this energy of saying, no, it's about me, and I'm tapping into my energy. I'm tapping into what I want to do, and I feel like perhaps you may have been the energy of a Queen of Cups, someone who's very loving, very nurturing, very caring, always trying to think about others. And I feel like nothing wrong with that. But I feel sometimes with the Queen of Cups energy, if you're not too careful, you can become unbalanced. Okay. And then it can lead to really pouring into others and then not pouring into yourself. Okay. If given a chance, I would choose you over and over again. Okay, they would choose you over and over again. We can see that with the Ace of Cups here, with the Six of Cups, they wanting to offer that. We can see that as well with the King of Swords. Someone is sitting down and really okay, in Jamaican Pat one culture, there's the idea of that you don't just understand something when something is now like right, like your bread and butter, and it just makes concrete sense. You overstand it. You overstand it. This is where this person is. They overstand it. They overstand. They overstand now where they went wrong. Where they went wrong. Okay? And can look at the matter not just subjectively, but now objectively. They can look at the two sides and recognize they had to cut something because something wasn't aligned with how they were going about doing what they were doing. Okay. Do you look at this? Do you see? We had this energy about, do you think about we? Do you think about us? Okay. Look at this. Do you ever think about us? I'm trying to mend my ways for you. I'm trying to mend my ways for you. I've never met anyone like you before. I have never met anyone like you before. You are the one who makes my heart skip a beat. You deserve someone better than me. Yes, because this is the energy of thinking that, you may go out and look, or someone else may gain your interest. Okay, I wish we could start over. I long for the day when we can be together again. Do you see this? Do you see this? We see it in the cards here. This person is longing, okay, to come back to you. But now that you are no longer the Jane that they know, okay? This Jane they cannot and this is the thing. Sometimes through periods of time, okay, people might go about their own business or things like that. Um, and I feel like this message is very heavily around someone that you know, okay? Perhaps it could be someone, whether it's like, let's say a current love interest, a crush, or an ex, or if there's been I feel like there's been some kind of history here, though. There's clearly been some history here, and some back and forth, okay? Can we try again? But it's definitely an energy of, yeah, there's definitely been a lot of history here. Seeing you with someone else breaks my heart. So you see this energy of, they perhaps could be seeing or noticing you're doing things, you're going out, you're busy, you're looking good. Okay, you're looking good. You're stepping into that Queen of Wands energy. I still remember our first date like it was yesterday. Okay, they may be trying to, I feel like perhaps if they haven't already, they may try to message or communicate like, oh, do you remember this? Do you remember that? And it's a way to try and lure you in. Okay, but I feel like it's not working, and they could be trying to ponder and thinking, do I need to do? Trying to seek advice from others. Okay, I still hope for a second chance with you. I still hope, and we can see that. Okay, with the Ace of Cups being here, this is what they want. They want a second chance. Okay, they want to have a second chance, but they may be pondering and thinking, how am I going to go about it now? Because time has passed. And even though I've come to realize now, I've come to some realization, is it enough? Is it enough? Look at Jane now. Look how she's stepping. She don't care. She don't care. Look at her with her little black cat. She don't care. She's about her own business, okay? She's about her own business. And that's the thing. Sometimes it's the energy of where I feel like perhaps you could have also been waiting. And as soon as you start to now work on you, do you focus on you, it can create perhaps a shift in this person who wants to come back, who wants to come forward, okay? If I had a second chance, I would look at this. I would do things differently. I would do things differently. I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserve, okay? You are the reason behind my smile. You are the reason behind my smile. I can't help but regret my actions. I can't help but regret my actions. Do I ever cross your mind? You see, this is the energy. Do you think about us? Do I ever cross your mind? Because they're still trying to figure out if there's a possible chance, okay, of being able to return. My feelings for you are still as strong as ever, okay? Your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. I'm working on myself for us. Okay? I still hold on to the letters, the messages you wrote me. Look at this. Every song I hear reminds me of you. Okay? Okay, and the song is coming through. I think it may be Babyface. If you do know, put it in the comments down below. Every time I close my eyes, I feel or Kenny Lattimore. I thank God that I found you. If you do know it, put it down below. I wish I could turn back time. Now, every time I see this, I always think of Cher. If I could turn back time, then I could find a way. Then I could find a way to get back to you, Jane, because it's you. It's you that I want. It's you that I want. Okay? Yes. It's hard for me to move on when my heart still beats for you. Okay? It's hard to move on because you're looking so good. You're looking so fine. Hey, you're looking so good. You're looking so fine. And I want to make you mine. Yeah, I want to make you mine. They want to make you mine. Yeah, this is the energy I'm getting. They want to make you. Like this is energy. Like I want you. I want you. Okay, I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. We can see that. Look at the Six of Cups here again. They're just thinking about the good old days, okay? The good old days, thinking about you, thinking about how you used to say sweet nothings into their ear, and they do the same to you back, okay? I think those little gestures as well, those little sweet nothings, whether it could be like making, I'm getting the message, someone could have been making breakfast, and there was a particular way that you would do something, and they missed that, And I feel like they might even reference it to you, say, or reference to you something that you did that they miss. Okay. Or even say something like, I still hold this dearly to my heart. I still hold this. You are the only one who understood me completely. You are the only one. And I feel like this could be the message that they are saying when they are going to elders, okay? With the Hierophant being here. The Hierophant can represent that energy of a leader, okay? You go to for advice, okay? To seek knowledge, okay? The teacher, okay? The teacher. And I feel like they could be trying to speak to others, seeking advice. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. You are the person that I compare everyone else to. See? You are that person. I'm ready to fight for us. I'm ready to fight for us. Right. So, we're going to leave you with one message here from the good karma. Okay, let's have a look. So can we have some a message to clarify all of these messages? Okay, channeled messages for the person on your mind. Okay, or channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay, thank you. Show us their true. Oh, okay. The Emperor wants to come through. Come on, Emperor. Look at the Emperor. Let's bring on the Emperor. The Emperor wants to come in. So this message of the Emperor, okay, and I can see, well, two cards, okay, actually kind of popped up. The Four of Cups, and I feel like the Four of Cups is representing this energy of I wonder if they still have this interest in me. I wonder if we can patch things up. I wonder if they we if Jane is still interested. And I feel like this is how they see you. Like they could be trying to offer you this cup of love. Look at this with the Ace of Cups, but it's like, I got my Three of Cups, baby, and I'm enjoying being the Queen of Wands, baby. I enjoying, what I'm doing right now. And I feel like it could be also a question of, do you have time? Do you have time to accommodate, you know, are you in that space, that headspace for that? Okay. But they are coming in this energy of wanting to step up as the Emperor. Step up. They're now taking this lead of like, yeah, I got to step up. So I feel like there is definitely an energy of growth here. Now, I feel like there's also a message about number one. Number one represents the energy of taking the lead, new beginnings, new opportunities. This person could be taking this opportunity to say, right, you see this message, it's like it's a map. It's a map. I've got to find my way to get back to Jane. I've got to step up. I've got to show her. I've got to prove. I've got to show that social proof, okay, that physical proof that I'm doing what I'm saying I am doing, okay? And I feel like this is the energy. If we go back to this Jamaican proverb about don't buy a puss in a bag, okay, it's the idea of sometimes deals are too good to be true. I feel like this is the energy that they recognize that and know that they need to do that deep work so that they can show and prove, okay, prove that to you. So let's end this read with a traveling intuitive gem, okay, and see what wants to pop up for the collective. Okay, so channeled messages from the person on your mind. Can we have a message, please, for the collective? Oh, we're shaking up the place. And that's a little, I feel like that's a message there. This person wants to shake up what's going on and bring in this energy of stability. The Emperor represents the energy of four, which is all about stability and security. Okay. Ooh, thank you. We have. This is what they want. This is the energy. Look at this. They want to connect with you. Okay. They want to connect with you. They want to offer this energy of love. They want to be real. They know that perhaps you initially you might think, oh, I don't know if I want this, but this is I feel like this person knows that time, it may take some time, and I feel like they are okay with that. Um, but they really want to patch things up. Again, it's all about trusting your intuition, using your discernment every time. So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go, I saw it go. This is Jamaican Pat One. It simply means this is how it goes around here. So thank you to you all. Okay, big up, big up, big up yourselves. Okay. Do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay. And keep sipping. Stay blessed. Look good. Feel good. Stay IRIE. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan regenerals. So we are on pile 2 and we're going to explore channeled messages from the person on your mind. So let's have a look and see what's in store for you. But if you haven't already subscribed, come and join the Love and Light family. Welcome. We are a lovely bunch at Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, let's get into it. And we've also set up an Instagram page. Okay, so show us some love. Okay, we're just starting up, but show us some love. It's greatly appreciated. And like and subscribe. All right, let's see Wagwan. I've got some water. What are you sipping on today? Okay, put it in the comments. Let us know. Let us share. Okay, so we have the Eight of Swords. The Eight of Swords. So this feels like this person is in their head, okay? I feel like they could be trying to think of all the possibilities of what's going on, how to step towards you, how to move towards you, how to speak to you. I feel like they're very much in their head with this Eight of Swords energy, okay? If you look and see what's going on, okay, it's like they've created their own cave. I feel perhaps this person may wallow a lot, or they may have this energy of kind of just staying in this energy, okay? So let's continue. And it has fallen on pile 2. So I feel like there could be an energy that they know they have to make a choice about something. They have to make some kind of decision, okay? Because yes, something's not working. Okay, I'm getting this message of it's not working. It's not working. Perhaps their attempts to come towards you or find a way of reaching you has not worked. Okay, and there is some kind of pause energy here because we've got the Eight of Pentacles and it's in the reverse position. Now the Eight of Pentacles, okay, and the energy of 8 is about doing, taking action, but no action is really taking place. Okay, it's kind of like a very slow. Okay, so we have the Nine of Wands in reverse as well. Now this is the energy that I feel like this person's going, well, you know what, I need to take the lead then. I need to step up, and I need to let go. Because if we look carefully, let's put it upright so you can see this, the energy here is like they're blocking themselves. Now we can see that from the Eight of Swords. So it's kind of an energy of like this person's having some kind of awakening to realize, well, how is this person gonna reach out to me if I ain't even doing anything either? So I feel like there could be a lot of watching energy, watching to see if you're gonna move, and perhaps you could be watching if they're gonna make a move. Okay, but I feel like there's an energy of they know that they need to take a lead. I feel like there's a strong energy they know they need to take the lead. This could be any person right now, okay? They know they need to take the lead, okay? I feel like there's a lot of nerves, okay, that could hold them back. That I feel like they could be trying to overthink, thinking about the possibilities. Should I go this way? Should I go that way? Okay. And it's fallen on 2. Okay. So that's all about options, choices, decisions. Okay. They've got to make a decision here. Okay. And let go. Because as we see here, I feel like there's a look, we've got the King of Wands here, but the King of Wands energy is in the reverse position. So I feel like this person may also have this energy of not feeling confident to come forward and say how they feel. I feel like there's a confidence energy here that they may lack the confidence to come forward to say how they feel. And I feel like perhaps when if they do, or they may, it may kind of come across in an arrogant way, but I don't feel like, from what we can see here, I don't feel like they mean to. I feel like it's just I feel like communication here is not, I feel like they struggle with communication. Okay. I feel like this person struggles with communication or expressing how they truly feel when it comes to the matters of the heart. Okay. Now, if we look at the King of Wands, we can see a lot of reds. We can see a lot of vibrant orange. We can see a lot of vibrant yellows. That plays into those chakras of confidence. Okay, think of the solar plexus, which is all about the confidence, located in the stomach region. Then we have the sacral chakra, which is located in the reproductive organs and area. Okay, all of that can represent that our sexual prowess, our confidence, our ability to come forward. And I feel like there's some kind of blockages here that is holding this person back from feeling confident to come towards you, to step towards you. Okay, but look, this then creates this position. Now look again, it's the power of the two back here again with the Five of Cups. The Five of Cups representing this energy that they know they need to change. I feel like this could be an energy that they have done before. I feel like this person can be very attractive, but when it comes to the matters of the heart, they lack confidence. They lack the energy of making a decision, making a choice. Okay, now again, trusting your intuition, using your discernment every time. But I feel like this person needs to overcome this feeling of lack, because the fear is holding them back. And until they release that fear, they will constantly be focusing on missed opportunities rather than looking at, well, okay, get your chin up, hold your head up, and start again. Start again. Okay, and I feel like this person needs to recognize this, or realize this. They got to start again. Look at what's here behind them. They're so focused on those missed opportunities, focused on awkward moments. I'm getting awkward moments that they may have had with you, and thinking, oh my gosh, Jane must think like I'm stupid. There's an energy of like, you must think I'm stupid. You must think I'm dumb. There's this energy here that I feel like this person's like beating themselves on that maybe the last time they saw you, rather than thinking, okay, how can I repair this? How can I patch this again? How can I start anew? Okay. So we have here, look at this. It brings them back to the one's energy. They've got to get that. They're gonna tap in to this BDE, this big D energy. They're gonna tap into that energy. They're gonna tap into the energy of their solar plexus, their sacral, okay, energy. They've got to tap into it so that they can then give them that energy boost that they need to step towards you, to tell you how they feel. And I feel like it's like someone, like the divine wants to kind of give a push, okay, to say, come on, John, you can do this. Step towards Jane. Tell Jane how you feel. We're going to give you this energy. We're going to give you this energy. And I feel like they could be also getting messages from others. Perhaps they could be even watching, I feel like, videos on maybe dating gurus on how to approach, how to show that you are interested. Okay. I feel like this person really does have feelings, and we have the Two of Cups here, which is giving that the Two of Cups energy. Again, making a choice, making a decision. They know that they've got to come forward and tell you how they feel. Okay, let go of this energy that is holding them back. Okay, that has kind of created some blockage. Okay, Right, let's pull out a Jamaican proverb as we gather these intuitive gems. And for all the reads, so they all came out with more tarot cards. And I feel like the tarot, it was like, oh, I can't explain myself in 3 cards, so I'm gonna give you at least 5 so you can gather an understanding of what's really going on. Okay, so let's have a Jamaican proverb that relates to what's going on here. Channeled messages from the person on your mind. Reveal the Jamaican proverb, please, for the collective. Thank you. We have: eat with the devil, but give him with a long spoon. Eat with the devil, but give him with a long spoon. So eat with the devil, but give him with a long spoon. Eat with the devil, but give him with a long spoon. Now, this is the idea that I feel like this is what this person's doing, okay? Is this energy of like, they're so stuck in their fear that it's like, look at this one here. They're holding their one as long as they possibly can to reach out. So they're trying to be as strategic as possible, okay? Because this energy is like being strategic when dealing with difficult people. But the difficulty is not to say it's you. The difficulty is for them to overcome their fear. They have to overcome their fear. Now, I feel like they could find um, matters of the heart, talking, expressing, being comfortable with their feelings as something that has perhaps has not it's not been easy for them. It's not been easy for them in the past, and perhaps they focused and prioritized work, prioritize hobbies, prioritize interests when as a way to kind of um not dwell in their emotions or their feelings. But I feel like it brings them back to a 360 where it's like they look back and go, oh, time has passed, okay, water has crossed these bridges and I'm still in the same position. I need to stop doing this because it's not serving me. And I feel like your energy has triggered this change for them to make a choice with the power of 2, to make a choice, to make a decision. What you're gonna do? This opportunity has arisen, and we're giving you this push now to take the lead, to go and get that confidence, to let this energy blossom. Okay, like this one here, to blossom. Something can't blossom if you don't try to water it. You know, the seed is there. You got to try and water it, nurture it, take action. And there's a strong energy of this person has to take action and stop getting caught up into this. I don't know. Maybe she might not like me. Yeah, I like her, but I don't know. Maybe maybe oh, I just had an awkward moment with Jay. I feel like they're so caught up in those feelings. Like, oh, I just had an awkward moment, rather than thinking, okay, yeah, I'm being awkward because I have feelings. Let me get real. Let me be real with those feelings and I will feel more at ease. Okay? So let's have a look now in their feelings. We're going to use this deck, which has lots of messages, okay, things that they could want to say to you, things that could resonate with those channeled messages coming through. So let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Okay, we're going to just allow it to gather that energy that is on this table here from all of these cards. I'm going to sip good tea, good sip of water before we begin. Okay, you want to sip with me? Let's sip together, okay? Oh, all right. So it's always important to stay hydrated so you gather those intuitive, juicy gems. Right, so let's find out what messages want to come through for the collective who chose pile 2, channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay. Okay, we may sing our little song to bring in that energy because we like to use words, wisdom, and power, okay, into the reads. Shuffle, baby. Ooh, let's clear that throat. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Yes, shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Let it flow. Shuffle, baby. Tell the collective what you want to say. Shuffle, baby. Ooh, one has fell on the floor. Shuffle, baby. Shuffle, baby. Look at these feelings. It's like all of these feelings are exploding because this is how they've been holding on for so long, holding those feelings for so long that it's causing this outburst, okay, these bursts. Right, last shuffle, last shuffle. Thank you. Look at that. Last right. Let's have a look at the one. I'm just gonna quickly get the one that fell on the floor. Brilliant, we've got it. And let's gather all of these juicy, juicy, intuitive gems for the collective who chose pile 2. What do you need to hear right now? These channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay. Right, we have here, my love for you is still strong. My love for you is still strong. You were my everything, and now you are gone. So this could be anyone right now, whether it's current love interest, a crush, an ex coming through. I'm sorry for not realizing your worth sooner. I'm sorry for not realizing. Okay, there's an energy of realizing. I still remember the taste of your lips. Ooh la la. Okay, it could be that Ace of Wands energy that's saying, right, well, step forward, make a choice, make a decision. Okay, I cherish every moment we had together. Okay, I can't help but regret my actions. My feelings for you are still as strong as ever. Yes, we can see that. We can see that. I'm ready to fight for us. I'm ready to fight for us. If I had a second chance, I would do things differently. Okay? I'm working on becoming a better person for you. You are the reason I want to become a better person. Look at this. I need you in my life. I need you in my life. I've never met anyone like you before. I should have fought harder for us. I should have fought harder for us. I yearn for your touch. I yearn for your touch. You deserve someone better than me. You deserve someone better than me. I regret letting you go. I regret letting you go. I can't help but feel jealous when I see you with others. Your voice is the sweetest melody to my ears. I'm sorry for not being able to give you what you deserve. Waiting for you is the hardest thing I've ever done. Hardest thing I've ever done. I still hold on to the hope of us coming back together. Yeah, we can see that. It's like they're mourning, they're hoping with those Two of Cups here that hopefully maybe you can come back. Okay, repatch things. A fire in their belly can be ignited for them to take action, to be in this energy of courage. Think of courage, the courageous lion. Okay, a reference from Dorothy, and the Wizard of Oz is coming through. Okay, the Wizard of Oz, the courageous lion. Okay, the lion that didn't have the courage and needs to tap into that energy of the solar plexus and chakra. So I'll just show you so you can see what we're talking about here. Let's bring this so clearer. So we have the solar plexus, okay? And we can see a lot of that vibrant energy located in this energy here. Let's put it here, okay? And we have the sacral here. Let's get one out. Let it flow, let it flow. Right here, okay? So this energy is kind of like causing some blockages, and we can see that, okay? We can see that. We can see it here. And I think it could also be impacting their root chakra, okay? And that's their sense of security, okay? It could be causing an energy of worry, thinking, oh, like waking up this energy of, well, you know, what if Jane doesn't like me? What if this, blah, 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 but what if this can't be patched? What if, you know, and I feel like it's this energy of, they're trying to navigate it while not hurting themselves anymore at the same time. That's how how I feel like it's like I feel like it's a strong feeling of fear, and that could be holding them back, but also is making them make silly mistakes in the process as well. Your smile is my favorite thing in the world. You are the one who makes my heart skip a beat. I'm trying to mend my ways. I'm trying to mend my ways for you. Seeing you with someone else breaks my heart. And I feel like that could be all the worries and things that come into mind, okay? And we have here, I wish I had been better to you. I feel like you are slipping away from me, okay? I still hope for a second chance with you. It's hard for me to imagine life without you in it. I'm scared of what the future holds for us. Seeing you happy makes me happy too, even if it's not with me. You are the only one who could ever make me feel complete. You are the reason behind my smile. You are the reason behind my smile. I miss the sounds of your laugh. I miss the sounds of your laugh. So let's pull out the good karma and clarify what's going on here. There's channeled messages coming through from the person on your mind, okay? As well as their intentions towards you. Reveal the messages the collective need to see. For the collective who chose pile 2, what do you need to see? Yes, the Five of Swords. Now, I feel like the Five of Swords is this energy. They know they need to leave. They need to leave this. It's not serving them. It's holding them back. They need to release themselves from this overthinking energy and this energy of self-sabotage as well. Okay, they know they need to let go of it. And the Two Swords here is kind of recognize. It's like, again, the two. Do you see the strong energy of 2 here, collective? Please put it in the comments down below if you do recognize it. We have 2 of Swords here. We have the 2 of Cups here. Look at this. 2 of Cups here. The cups are representing the feelings. The swords are representing what's going on here in their mind, their thinking, their communication. As we said, there was a communication issue here, and there's a communication issue with their feelings, okay? And then we have 222. So we have a strong energy of 222 here. And it's again this energy of being in alignment. They need to be in alignment with their true feelings. And because they're not in alignment with their true feelings, it's creating this rocky road. okay, where they are not feeling comfortable with expressing how they feel. They are creating blockages for themselves. And by creating those blockages and focusing on what they don't want, okay, it's creating this energy of law of attraction because you're focusing on what you don't want. So you're putting energy there, you're putting energy there, and that energy then starts to manifest. Hence the reason why it's so important to focus on what you do want so that you are attracting what it is that you do, but also putting the energy of trust in that process, okay? Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front of the deck. Yes, we have the Four of Swords. And I feel like this again, this is representing this energy of really focusing in, tuning in what it is that you want. And I feel like this person on your mind is just needs to get that clarity, okay? Because I feel like they could be working themselves. The message is like they're working themselves up a sweat by getting so caught up on focusing on like really minuscule things that doesn't really matter, okay? Because look, we have the Seven of Cups. Now the Seven of Cups in reverse is telling us, okay, this is like could be a feeling of being overwhelmed, but then to release that overwhelmed, you know what you gotta do? You gotta make a choice. You gotta make a decision. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. Stop contemplating because the energy of seven can focus on contemplating, dwelling on something. You gotta let go. Let go. So, we are going to end this read with a traveling intuitive gem. So, let's see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 2. But we can see their intentions, they do have intentions for you, and true intentions at that. But there is an energy of self-sabotage on how they express themselves, how they communicate how they communicate and how they express those feelings. And I feel like it's especially when they're on their own. Okay, it's this energy of focusing on minuscule things that are not really important, and that is holding them back in expressing how they truly feel. But as we could see, as the energy was building up, okay, it's like, oh, we're revealing the messages behind those blocks that they have created. Just like with the Nine of Wands energy here, and this person's kind of hiding behind their blockages, okay, as well as um we see here with the Eight of Swords, again, hiding behind their own kind of prison that they've created for themselves. So let's have a look now. Last but not least, can we have a message, please, regarding channeled messages from the person on your mind? Reveal intuitive gem, a juicy gem that the collective need to know right now at this very moment. Ooh, we have couple here. We have three. Look, they want to come to you. They want to come to you. They want to come to you. Look at this train or this tram. They want to come towards you. Okay? They do want to come towards you. But it's like a sense of bravery. And again, it's getting this message of they need that push. I feel like this is also a message of history. They know it's like, look at this ancient building. They know there's history there between you two, and hoping that there can still be a haven where this can be repaired. Okay. Now the message coming through is Lisa Stansfield. Being around the world and I can't find my baby. Okay, being around the world. Okay, yeah, it's the energy of to come. It's a matter of time. I feel like it's perhaps even could be we're hoping that the world will orbit round, or an opportunity can arise. But we can see the Ace of Wands is saying, well, you can take this action. You can take this action. You know, you just gotta get you just gotta get yourself, you gotta get yourself up and just take the action, take the lead. And you never know what you might find, okay? So we are gonna leave it here. Take the messages that resonate and leave. If they say it with power, leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means it's just Jamaican power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. Okay, this is how it goes around here. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go, darling, honey. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, stay feeling irie, keep sipping, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the next one. Do have a look at all the other readings available at Wagwan Tarot, and show us some love on our new Instagram page. We are still currently setting it up, but your love is always appreciated. So thank you to you all. One love and wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan me generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring channeled messages from the person on your mind. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. So we are going to have a look and see what wants to come through from the person on your mind. So essentially, we're kind of spying in to their mess into what's going on with them right now. Okay, so let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Channeled messages from the person on your mind. But before we begin, okay, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan and what? Hey, we have to rewind. Almost forgot the channel name. Come on. Please subscribe to Wagwan Tarot. Okay, we like to keep the bloopers in. Okay, helps you to know that yeah, this we're human. Okay. So come and join the Love and Light family. We're a lovely bunch, a lovely community here. So, you know, the more you like and subscribe, the more we can grow as a family together. So thank you to you all, and to the subscribers. Big up, big up, big up, big up to you all. So I hope you've got a nice cup of tea and perhaps some snaps or some juice as we gather these intuitive, juicy gems. We also have, see all these bloopers. Hey, perhaps there could be a message here. Okay. We also have an Instagram page as well. Okay, we've just set it up, and for now we're just bringing some of those vibrations, good IRIE vibrations from some of the songs that come through. Okay, at Wagwan Tarot YouTube channel, and we're going to be uploading more content. So if you know, what I'll do is put up a post and see what kind of content you would like to see on our Instagram page, and we'll add a lot more tarot content on there as well. Okay, so let's get into it and see Wagwan. Okay, Wagwan simply means what is going on. It's Jamaican Pat One. It simply means what is going on. Channeled messages from the person on your mind coming through. Let's take a good sip. I can feel a good sip of water is needed right now. So I'm gonna take a good sip. Okay, let's gather these. Look at this. The 10 of Cups. We have the 10 of Cups here. Okay, the 10 of Cups. Now the 10 of Cups is telling us, okay, this is how this person feels. When they look at you, when they think of you, this is how they see you. And I feel like this is the energy of what they want. They want to have this energy. They want to have this energy of completion, because 10 can represent completion. So when ultimately, this is where they want to be. This is where they want to be with you, okay? And I feel like this could be anybody, because we're looking in channeled messages, okay? So it could be a crush, a love interest, or an ex coming through. But I feel like there's been good memories, good moments, okay, moments of you being together, enjoying one another's company. And I feel like this is energy of this is what they want. They want to reclaim this energy. Now it has fallen back on free. So I feel like there could be an energy of there might have been some periods of separation, a time of where growth is needed. Okay, perhaps maybe with both parties. Okay, so let's have a look now in regards to these channeled messages. For every single pile, there was a lot of tarot cards coming out, and I feel like the it was this person, the person on your mind, wanting the messages to come through, because perhaps the three cards was not enough to give us a good overview, and it was almost kind of like I want to clarify myself as possible, as much as I possibly can, to help you. I'm gonna call you Jane to help Jane understand where I'm coming from. Okay. So we have page of wands. So yes, there's a message here. Okay. I feel like they could want to message, um, it could be even an offer of like doing something fun, some kind of activity. And we can see in the Ten of Cups, there is this kind of energy of being in the outdoors. And I feel like this could be something they could want to do with you. Okay. Because we have the Two of Pentacles in reverse. Now, the Two of Pentacles in reverse is giving this energy of there needs to be a choice. A choice needs to a choice is needed here. Okay, um, and I feel like it could also be knowing that they can't be sitting and waiting. Okay, and letting that choice just kind of spiral and spiral. It's about coming ultimately making making some kind of choice. And I feel like as it's now fallen on the Two of Pentacles, it could have been something to do with stability, it could have been something to do with security. Okay, because we have the Justice card, and the Justice card is here for a reason, that something needed to balance out, something needed to balance itself out. Perhaps it could be how they approached you, how they communicate. I feel like it's recognizing that something needed balance here. We have the High Priestess, and I feel like the High Priestess is saying that there is more to what's going on here. But I feel like the message is that you know that your intuition has been telling you what it is. Okay, your intuition has been telling you what it is, and we're gonna pull out a clarification card to find out what's going on here. But we have the Page of Pentacles, so we have the Page of Wands. Now I feel like that seeing the Page and the Pentacles, perhaps this person could be younger than you, maybe like a couple of years or so. I'm getting up to 10 years difference maybe. Or they could be older than you or same age, but they may carry a younger energy. Okay, but I feel like this energy is like with the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles representing this kind of apprentice to wanting to learn, wanting to take those steps to become more knowledge in their craft. And I feel like the craft is you, to become more knowledge in knowing you. Okay, because look what we have here. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like the Ace of Pentacles is really saying that someone wants to give you a serious offer. Someone wants to give you a serious offer. But there seems to be some kind of a strong energy around stability, security. I feel like perhaps it could be you've had discussions about this where you've talked about what you want. For some of you, you've talked about your aspirations, your goals, okay? And or this person could know this is where you want to be. And I feel like perhaps it could be something like you've talked about 5 to 10 years down the line, this is where you want to be, okay? And I feel like this person may have this in their mind, knowing that, yes, I know I know this is where Jane wants to be. So I know that ultimately I've got to be clear with what it is I want. And I feel like there could have been some kind of discussion or talk about what do you want. Okay, really trying to get that clarification. But I feel like it could have caused this person to take some time to think over things and say, yeah, what is it that I want? Because I need to be in balance. I need to get clear with what it is that I want so that I can give and I can offer the same thing to Jane. But I've got to get clear with what it is I want. Because we see the Ace of Pentacles here, and the Ace of Pentacles is about giving a serious offer, okay? A serious offer stability, okay? This could be some kind of proposal. I could see this message of like to live together, proposal, a marriage proposal, okay? I feel it's a serious offer. Perhaps it could also be some kind of offer to do with work, or if money has increased, okay? We also have the Wheel of Fortune here. So with the Wheel of Fortune being here, it's like this person is now hoping that the cogs are going to be working in their favor, in the both your favor, for this to return, okay, or for opportunities for them to pop up, appear, and whether this could be a crush or a current love interest or even ex, for the wheels to turn in the favor that it will best support this union. Because look what we have here. We have the Eight of Wands. So this Eight of Wands is that this action, they want action to take place. And there could have been some stagnant energy going on. But I do feel like with the Ten of Cups, there was some good times. There was some good times. And they want the good times to return. They want the good times to flow. Okay? The message that's coming through is chic, good times. Good times. Dun, dun. Here are the good times. Yes, they want those good times. They want to have the Ten of Cups is all about good times. They want to have these good times like flowing, 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 flowing on repeat 24/7 with you. Okay? I feel like for this read there is definitely an energy of maturity here. A strong energy about maturity. Okay. We're going to see what's going on with the High Priestess as well, though. Let's clarify now what's going on, because I feel like there's a strong energy that you may have an inkling, okay? So why is this message coming through that you may have an inkling, that you may know what is going on, or why this person may be feeling a type of way, as we're looking into channeled messages for the collective who chose Power 3 on the channeled messages regarding the person on your mind, okay? Let's have a look and see what wants to come through. Channeled messages from the person on your mind. We have the world. The world. So I feel like this person may, it's an energy that they may lack knowledge, or I feel like this person, perhaps it could also be because we had with the Page of Pentacles coming through, something to do with not being knowledgeable in their craft. Now I feel like this person, for some of you, this person may not be as educationally equipped as you are. There's something to do with education, academia, as well as their occupation. Perhaps this person is still on their journey or on developing their career, and I feel like there could be somebody who is earning more, and I think it's what's coming through this energy that I feel is it could have caused some kind of indifference with your outlooks in life, where you both see yourselves in, let's say, 5 to 10 years time, because this is the energy that comes through. But I feel like this person has been taking steps to work on their energy, to work on improving their chances, to work on opening doors, to also opening their mindset to think bigger. Okay, I feel like this is definitely an energy of thinking bigger. I feel like this person definitely wants this energy with you, but I feel like there could have been also this energy of the Ten of Cups is great. but we also got to put food on the table. We also got to put food on the table. And I feel like that was what the message was causing. It was causing some kind of like shift with the Two of Pentacles being here, that yes, you can't just keep sitting on saying you're going to do something. When are you going to do it? And I feel like that caused some message, an energy here with the Justice card being here, saying that yes, something had to give, something had to cut. You know, if this is what you want, then you got to be about that life. You got to be about that life. You got to take steps to be proactive in what you are saying, in what you are doing. You got to be proactive. Okay. Let's have a look and see what's significant at the front. Yes, could we have the Strength card here? The Strength card, the Six of Cups. And I feel like this could be someone you know already. It could be someone from the past. It could be someone who wants to reconcile with you. Okay, we have the Seven of Swords. So in reverse, I feel like the Seven of Swords is like all the truth has been revealed. And it's now about being transparent and about being and saying what you're going to do, and leading with that. Okay, being truthful. But we can see, look, the stars trying to pop out. They do want healing to occur. They want healing to take place. So let's have a look now. Just leave it on this side. Let's have a look now into their feelings. We're going to bring out some deeper messages about their feelings. Okay. Okay, so for the collective who chose pile 3, can we have messages? Okay, they're deep channeled messages from the person on your mind. Okay, reveal the messages that the collective who chose pile 3 need to see right now at this very moment. Okay, well, I'm going to take a good sip of tea before we begin. Okay, so we can stay hydrated. You ready? Should we take a sip together? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we've got these messages here. Reveal the messages we need to see. So I'm going to bring some energy into the shuffle. Okay, with our little shuffle baby song. Shuffle baby. Oops, let's rewind. Clear that throat. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Indeed. Reveal your deep feelings. You can reveal your deep feelings. Channeled messages for the collective who chose pile 3. Reveal those messages. Shuffle baby. Shuffle baby. Right. Keep flowing. Look at the message. They're coming out. They're coming out. Reveal. Reveal. Reveal the messages that the High Priestess has also popped out. Thank you. High Priestess. Reveal. Reveal. Reveal their channeled messages. Reveal those channeled messages. Reveal those channel messages. Thank you. Reveal those channel messages. Oh, yes, one here. Last shuffle. Thank you. We got a lot of messages. We got a lot of messages here. And we had some help from the High Priestess. Okay, that deep intuition coming through. Channeled messages. Right, so this deck is all about their feelings. So we're going to see what comes through. Okay, this could be anyone. Right, try and get it in a nice order. Okay, right, let's get into it. Okay. I can't help but regret my actions. I can't help but regret my actions. I long for the day when we can be together again. So this could be someone where there has been some separation of some sort. I'm working on myself for us. I am working on myself for us. You are the person I compare everyone else to. You are the person I compare everyone else to. Your absence is a constant reminder of what I lost. Your absence is a constant reminder of what I've lost. Your love is the only thing I crave. Your love is the only thing I crave. And we can see that here, okay, how it started with this energy, the Ten of Cups, this energy of love, this energy of family life, this energy of good, the good times, okay? Your love is like a drug I can't quit. I miss your voice, whispering sweet nothings in my ear. I wish we could go back to how things used to be. I miss the way you used to look at me. I miss the way you used to look at me. And we can see that a glimpse of that energy here in this card. Okay. I regret letting you go. I regret letting you go. I feel like you are slipping away from me. I yearn for your touch. I yearn. I can't help but feel jealous when I see you with others. Okay? You are the one I want to come home to. You're the reason I want to become a better person. You are the reason why I want to become a better person. You are my unfinished love story. I'm sorry if I wasn't there when you needed me. I'm sorry if I pushed you away. You are all I ever wanted. I can't imagine my life without you. The message I'm getting through, that's coming through as well, is this person has you on their mind a lot, and telepathically they could be sending you messages, thinking about you, where you you could just be randomly just thinking about them, or their message, their name comes to mind. Seeing you with someone else breaks my heart. I want to be with you, but I'm scared. I'm scared. Your love was the best thing that happened to me. Now, take the message where it resonates, because this could be anyone right now, okay? That's really trying to come through. It's just pulling all of the messages that they want to tell you right now. I want to tell you how I feel, but I don't know how. And again, there's an energy of that, like they don't know how. Don't know how. Because they're showing up very heavily as pages. So like, again, it could be this kind of immature energy, or feeling like they are not fully equipped. Not fully equipped. Okay? And that's the message I'm getting is they're grown, but when it comes to their feelings, they act very immature. Okay? I wish I could turn back time. Now, every time I see this message, I always think of Cher. If I could turn back time, then I could find a way. Then I could find a way. You know, we always want to, that's, if we had the chance to have that magic wand and just say, change back time, this person would change back time in a jiffy. They would try and change it as quickly as they could to try and get things in a better place where you were both at this place. I'm trying to be a better person for you. I've been writing about you in my journal, and this could be why you there their name, their thought of them could be coming to mind, because they're trying to, while we are kind of exploring them, they're trying to channel you in at the same time. Your love is like a beacon guiding me home. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for my mistakes. I wish we could relive, you see, relive our happiest moments. They want to go back to that 10 of cups. You are the only one who understood me completely. This is where I was getting this message earlier with the high priestess, that your intuition is telling you, you know the deeper story. I can't stop thinking about you. Every song I hear reminds me of you. There's a song coming through. It's an R&B song. Um, every little thing I do, you're on my mind. Every little thing, girl, you're driving me crazy. Every little thing you do, you're on my mind. If you know it, put it in the comments down below. But that's what's coming through. Perhaps it could be a song that they listen to. I'm haunted by the memories of us. Yeah. You are my safe place. I'm not good enough for you. So we can see a lot of mixed feelings, mixed emotions, okay? And I feel like this is what we could see with the Two of Cups. The Two of Pentacles here. It's like they are juggling these feelings, okay? But while they're juggling those feelings, it's also making them become or appear very unstable, okay? Hence the reason why it makes perfect sense why the Justice card is popping up, because it's saying you need to get yourself together. You need to get yourself together, mate. You need to get yourself together, mate. You gotta get yourself together. Get with the program. I am sorry for hurting you. Okay. Now, we can see with the power of 3 being here that there is definitely an energy of growth is required here with this person. They need to grow. Okay. Right. If I had a second chance, I would do things differently. Again, it's this energy of hoping that they can get a second chance. And we can see that with the Wheel of Fortune being here. Okay, hoping that second chance will come where they can offer you a serious offer. Okay, look at that threshold. Think of jumping the broom. Okay, think of marriage. Think of making something serious, offering a serious offer to you. Seeing you happy makes me happy too, even if it's not with me. And I feel like that's with the Strength card as well. It's like it can give them that sense of a uplifted boost. Okay, seeing you happy. I need you in my life. I cherish every moment we had together. I cherish every moment. Right, we're going to use another deck just to clarify their intentions, okay? So, can you reveal their true intentions to the collective who chose Power 3? Channeled messages, okay, from the person on your mind. Let's see what wants to come in. Okay, thank you. We have the Four of Swords in reverse, okay? So I feel like the Four of Swords in reverse is this message that they want to come out of this energy. They want to come out of this energy and step forward. Okay, I feel like there's been a lot of sitting, thinking about things, looking at ways of how they can try and repair things. Again, there's an energy of 4 here, representing that energy of security. So there's definitely some kind of unstableness that they needed to work on, okay? And it could be their working on their emotions, their feelings, that was making them become very unstable in terms of how they manage their feelings, okay? Because the Justice card is not here for no reason. It was definitely saying you need to get yourself together. And I feel like this person could have been even sitting and thinking, right, let me work on my well-being. Let me work on my career. Let me do all those things, because if I to make an action plan and do that, then I can get myself back into a balance. And if I get myself back in a balance, then when I come towards Jane, then she can see that I have a serious offer. I can have a serious offer here. Okay? So I feel like their intention is really about trying to get as secure as they possibly can. Okay? But I see, look what's here. The Justice card is here. The Justice card is here. So there is definitely a strong energy of instability, but I can see here from the back of the card there is the Devil card. So I feel like for some of you, this person may have, it could, perhaps this person may have issues with addictions, or issues with um, holding on to things that are not aligned with them. But I feel like this person, or the message that's coming through, it could be the fear and pride. And that fear and pride is what is leading them to be in this energy, of stuck in letting that fear hold them back. But I feel like there's the message here that there is an opportunity that has come forward, and an offer. Okay, now I feel drawn to pull from the middle. Let's have a look. The Eight of Cups. Now the Eight of Cups is saying, yeah, they got to move away from all the things that are not serving them to make this offer towards you. They've got to make that step. If they're serious about growth, and I can really see the power three really popping through. If they're serious about growth and making a change, the message that's coming through is Michael Jackson, man in the mirror, man in the mirror. Make that change. Man in the mirror. They're going to make that change. They're going to make that change. They've got to step up to the plate. Look at that with the Page of Cups. Ace of Cups. Look what it shows. Once they're ready to make that change, they can come with that serious energy of love. And the Ten of Cups can be restored. But until then, they gotta step away from anything that is not in line with this energy of the Ten of Cups. Okay? Because look, the Justice card has come twice. And this is an energy that it's definitely an energy of alignment, because we're seeing the Justice card come back again. Now, the 11 plus 11 is 22. Okay? So you might be seeing 2, 2, 2, 2. You might be seeing 11, 11s. Okay? There's a strong message here that energy needs to be restored here. Okay? This energy needs to be restored so they can return with a serious offer. So let's, last but not least, end the read with an intuitive traveling gem. Okay? Let's have a look and see what message wants to come through for the collective who chose pile 3 as we explored the channeled messages from the person on your mind. Ooh, we have a well-being message coming through, and I feel like this is the message that's coming through. Another song is coming through, Dennis Brown, reggae artist. I gotta get myself together. I got to get myself together. I've got to get myself together. They've got to get themselves together. They've got to. But I feel like this is something that they would love to do with you is to enjoy these Ten of Cup moments with you. Another song's coming through. Another reggae artist, Boris Gardner. I wanna wake up with you, baby. I want you to be the first one that I see. I wanna wake up with you. Ooh, wait. So, come on, come on, come on. Make that change. So we're gonna leave it here to the collective. Thank you to you all. Okay? Take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican patois. This is Jamaican patois. And it simply means this is how it goes around here. So this is how it goes around here, darling, honey. So take those messages that resonate and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, stay IRIE, okay? Keep sipping, stay hydrated, and do have a look at all of the readings available at Wagwan Tarot, okay? Send us some love at our Instagram page, okay? And we will see you on the next one. Wagwan.